We know how to use a clamp like this for a work hold down for tasks such as sawing and routing. And we know how to use a clamp to hold things together like this drawer and this door. And we can even glue panels together like this one. But what happens when you need to hold something in a vertical position? What if your project is large and cumbersome like this door and you're going to install hinge mortises along the edge? Or you have a canoe paddle here, or something unconventional that you might need to work on the blade and you don't want it to lay down flat on the work surface. Or you have a slab where you're going to be removing the bark and installing floating shelf supports along the backside. How are you going to clamp that in a vertical position? I suppose you could do some sort of clamp holding a clamp situation, but this doesn't look very secure and it took 6 clamps. This vise on this workbench might work. Let's put the door in. It's kind of tricky when I have a large and cumbersome project like this door. And if I'm going to do any work on this edge, well, I'm going to need a ladder. Or you could use the new Rockler Hold-It Bench Clamp. These multi-purpose clamps can mount to the edge of any work surface up to 2.5 inches thick. So work surfaces like this, and this, and this. And they can grip workpieces up to 1 9/16 inches thick. So things like this and this. If you notice that the clamps seem to change positions, you'd be correct. While the bench holding component stays fixed to your work surface, the work holding piece can be repositioned into 4 different configurations. Let me show you how easy it is to reposition the clamp to better hold your project. By removing this one screw, you can reconfigure the work holding component to better secure your project. The bench and work holding components interlock to prevent twisting during use too. And the onboard tool storage means no need to worry about losing the key or trying to find the correct hex key when you need to change the clamp. Well, what am I going to use these clamps for? That's a great question. It's really sky's the limits. But here's a few scenarios that we came up with around the shop, and you might just be surprised at how handy these clamps really are. Mortising hinges into a door, holding slabs for bark removal, or the installation of floating shelf supports, applying and trimming edge banding to plywood, clamping difficult to hold objects like a canoe paddle, and laying out joinery. Another feature that I find very handy is that the work holding component has a quick release button, which means that you can quickly adjust to different material thicknesses on the fly. Finally, tighten it securely using the easy to grip T-knobs. And to release, loosen the T-knob and press the button to retract the threaded post. And the post feet and clamping pads, well, they're made of a non-marring material, so they're not going to damage your workpiece or the mounting surface. And it even means you can hold on to things you might not even thought of, like a snowboard or card scrapers. The Rockler Hold-It Bench Clamp is a versatile and adaptable clamp that brings vertical work holding to just about any bench or table. They're available in pairs at a Rockler store near you or at rockler.com. I'm Nick from Rockler, and thanks for watching.